Let's bring them on, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, my people, and welcome to the Sn95 Power Channel. Today we are doing Sn95s highlighted on my Instagram page. So I have 3 Sn95s for you today, so let's get into it. All right, up first is my man Greg, aka at 99turbo_goes. Now, Greg has 2 beautiful New Edge Mustangs. You probably know about the white convertible New Edge Mustang that won Best 99 to 04 at Mustang Week last year. He also has a red coupe. Now, this is no mere ordinary red coupe. Greg has these 19-inch ESR massive wheels on that thing. It looks beautiful because he's got that thing sitting static on lowering springs. Out back, he's got the Saline spoiler, and on the hood, he's got this huge, beautiful cow hood up front. Inside, no less, it's not cheap inside. He's got these beautiful racing seats inside. You know, he's not done with that car either. He's in the process of doing some upgrades to it, and he's gonna bring all 3 of those rides that he's got down there to Mustang Week. So hope y'all ready for that. So let's check out at 99turbo_goes and this red fire Mustang. First off, fuck cancer. Now, my man at Lyme Survivor 95_5.0 is a stage 3 cancer survivor. Not only did he kick cancer's ass, he decided to build a tribute card. Now, when I say build, he built this thing in his garage. He modified it, he painted it, he did all that himself in the garage. So this is truly a garage build after surviving cancer. I think that's pretty badass. So big shout outs to my man, Lyme Survivor 95_5.0. Let's check out his work. Now, last up is my man 97 underscore swapped. So everybody loves S550s, right? Everybody loves those S550 Coyote motors. So my man 97 underscore swaps decided to buy a Gen 2 crate Coyote motor, and then he bought a roller 97 GT car. Put them together, you got this badass car. Let's go over the mods to it. First off, he's got that Gen 2 Coyote motor. He's got a Freddie Brown built 4R70W with a manual valve body. He's got those beautiful signature wheels. He even added a Roush supercharger to go on top of this Coyote motor. He's got this monstrous fuel system with enough flow to launch a space shuttle. The S281 spoiler, the cowl hood, the two-tone colors, this is a beautiful car. So let's check it out.
All PBH bought. Thanks, guys.
All right, that's our little preview from my Instagram write-ups from this week. Now, if you're not on Instagram, I'll try to do this for you more often, just bringing these beautiful Sn95s out here to you. But if you're on Instagram, continue to follow the page and continue to tell a couple of people, tag me, hashtag me, just help build that page up on top of telling people about this YouTube channel. So I'm out here in the garage. I'm doing more stuff out here to the red car. Going to be releasing the cam swap video pretty soon on this. But, right now it's just getting prepared for car show season. I think the next big event for us is Iowa Mustang Unstable. Hopefully you can make it out there. That's June, I think 12th and 13th. But definitely check them out on Facebook. I think their Instagram is at Iowa Invasion. I'll leave it on a link or in here somehow so you can find it. But it's a great event. It's like I said, it's June 10th, or it's going into the weekend of June 10th, 11th or 12th or something like that. But I'll be there. Kim and I will be there. We're going to try to have both cars there. That's why I'm like hustling to get this done, and I kind of stopped the work on Project Kendra. So tell me what you think about those Sn95s. If you're on Instagram, make sure to give those guys a follow and support what they're doing. So until next time, God bless.